everyone, in today's video I'm going to guide you how to set up your Xfinity Wi-Fi pods. The process is simple and quick, you just have to follow me till the end. First, make sure your Xfinity Gateway is online and working properly. Once done, then plug your Xfinity port directly into a wall outlet within range of your gateway. Avoid using power strips or extension cords for best results. Open the Xfinity app on your phone and sign in with your Xfinity ID. After signing in, tap on Account option and here activate X5 ports or add a device. Once done, follow the on-screen instructions to detect and pair the port with your network. And when the network is connected, move the port to another room where you need better coverage. Ensure it stays within range of your gateway or another port. Check the Xfinity app to confirm everything is working correctly. You can adjust your placement if needed to improve your Wi-Fi coverage. That's how to set up Xfinity Wi-Fi ports. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.